This is a follow-up to a recent video I did on trimming fig trees, and you can see the end result here. But now I've got the problem of all these fig cuttings and deciding what to do with them. Now I could just throw them in the yard waste like I normally do, but this time I'm going to try something different. In this video I'll show you what I'm going to do. So tree limbs. Well, not all tree limbs are created the same, as we know. The fig tree limb, this is a brown turkey fig tree, is extremely flexible, and you can see it doesn't snap even at that, that extreme bending point. You can see how incredibly flexible it is. Now it does break some fibers inside, but it is generally one of the most flexible woods I know. I know it does break down over time. So unlike, if I were to throw an oak limb on the ground, this limb will disintegrate much more quickly. And that leads me to my point. Let's not throw it in the yard waste this year. This year, let's make our spring clippings fig tree mulch. So you might say, what the heck is fig tree mulch? Well, I've done this over the years, never referred to it as permaculture, but that's fig tree mulch. It is these little branches of the fig tree, simply cut up into small pieces, which I then sprinkle out over. Really the best place to put it is around the fig tree, because you're returning the nutrients that the fig tree produced back to it. But you could put it anywhere. And the cool thing about these branches is that at a small diameter they're very easy to clip with clippers. So if you have a good pair of clippers, you can just sit there and kind of clip off little bite-sized pieces until you get a 5-gallon bucket full, and then you get to go pick the spot where you put the mulch. Okay, so here we are at my little surfboard-shaped bed, and this is a coconut, which I found on the ocean. By the way, link right here if you want to go check it out. Anyway, it has not sprouted yet, but I've been putting some leaves around it. I'm going to go ahead and just commit to the full-on fig leaf mulch around this. And once I get more of it, it'll fill in, but this gives you a good idea of what it looks like. I think it is a really unique and cool look, actually, that you're not going to get at the store. And if you cut it in these sizes, they all kind of lock together. You get things like this. They all kind of lock together and produce a really nice, solid mulch. So fig tree mulch is one of the hidden gems of permaculture opportunities in your backyard. Let me know if you've ever done anything like that or something similar. It does take a little time to trim all these up to clip them into these small pieces, but I find it to be almost a meditative practice. In other words, it's just a relaxing thing to do. All right, so there you go. Fig tree mulch. Hey, if you're not subscribed already to Eat Your Backyard, please do. I give you all kinds of little tips like this as I encounter them, and I hope you will join us on our live streams. And in order to do that, you could simply turn on the all notifications on the channel subscription, and you'll be notified as these streams come out. I like to premiere my videos, so this one is a premiere, and my future videos will likely be premieres, and then you get to interact with me on the comments if you'd like to do that, ask questions, interact with the community. Thanks for watching Eat Your Backyard. Go ahead and make some fig tree mulch in your backyard today.